What's up, Brandon Thomas? You're on my camera. You can be on Trap My Ride. He's working on it right here. We got to get him a switch in. We're going to get him hooked up right. He's going to come by. There we go. There you go. What year's your car, Brandon? Tell us about your car, man. What do you got?
2016 Nissan Ultima.
Yeah, you just got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice, nice. What you got back here?
2-type R Alpines, powered by 2500 watt power acoustic.
Heck yeah. We got him knocking now. He's happy. He's grinning. When I got here, he wasn't smiling.
Yeah.
Now he's smiling. He's a happy guy. This car looks good. Are these your new wheels, or are these ones that come on it?
No, I put those on there.
Those are the ones you just told me about?
Yep.
Tell us about your wheels.
They're TSW Sebrings. They're 17s.
Nice.
They were fucking expensive.
They look good on here, man. They look good on here. Yeah, close the trunk up. Let's get it. Give us some juice. Let's hear it. Woo-wee. He gonna be pulling up. Tell him, anybody, pull up. Pull up. I'll pull up. We got the Blazer back there. We drove it down. It's hot. I like that ice cold AC. Damn. He got the knock. They'll know when he's home now. They'll be like, oh, Brandon's here. Woo-wee. Then you gotta use the door viewer when you pull up. Look at him knocking it off. Woo-wee. Show your door. Man, he's got the back glass rattling and everything.
Hey, like I ain't on 1, 2, 3 pop. Like I ain't been the bus for my homeboy, make the fucking beat drop.
Turn it up, turn it up. Give it some juice. You ain't gonna hurt it. Turn it all the way up.
Like I ain't never seen her have me some big things. Like so many different drugs and that it can lift the spirit.
They hit low. You got a streaming app for your phone? No, that's the stuff you got downloaded.
Not a 1, not a 2, but 3 times. Shine like a sleep time for peace mind.
Yeah.
I got it cracking. Trying to stack and get back for the cash, and is the way happen. Like I ain't rich, like I ain't shallow. Like a mill record platinum in the mill ground. Like I ain't drip, like I ain't falls. Like I ain't middle for the mill for a show. Like I ain't big, like I ain't huge. Like I ain't shit, like I ain't big news. Like I ain't cool, like I ain't cool. Like I ain't nothing. Like I ain't the J-Rock, my homie K-Dot. Like I ain't never had to promote for the box. Like I did the stuff in the session with the stuff and never guessing that I could do it. Like I never had a shot or a song with the white guy just got. Like I didn't hit the block, never went on the set of house with Mr. Baywatch. Like I didn't meet Travis, like I never had that sex. I never cash checks, rapping like I ain't even supposed to happen.
All right, Brandon Thomas. Thank you for the clip. Tell him, Chevy Gang. Trap My Ride. If you're here watching the videos, make sure go ahead and hit the follow button. If you're on Facebook, if you're on the YouTube, go ahead and hit subscribe. Get in the comments. Let us know what you think of Brandon's ride. 2016 Nissan Ultima. Woo-wee. He pulling up with a knock. He's doing it big.
Like I ain't cool, like I ain't built that time. like I ain't dipping my job, yeah. Like this is a process, tryna get from the project. So I spit like I got neck, and I trip a few objects. Like I'm itching to fly tech, whipping them kitchens with Pyrex. To the mission that God said, for me whipping these quick and
Looking good, brother, looking good.
Thank you.
All right, guys, that's it. We're out of here.